on my door and you're ringing my bell. Hope you're not impatient after waiting so very long. Oh yeah, I put you off with my silly hang-ups, and we're both old enough to know right from wrong. Tonight is the night that you make me a woman. You said you'll be gentle with me, and I hope you will. I'm nervous, I'm trembling, waiting for you to walk in. I'm trying hard to relax, but I just can't keep still.